Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this hairstyle, make two ponytails and then braid it very nicely. Now attach it all together as it is shown in the video. Attach the clips and it's done. For the next one in the video, make three sections out of your hairs. Now attach a bow to it. Start making two separate spreads out of it and tie it with the rubber band in the end. Now take both braids and attach it to the ponytails, roll it and it's done. For the next one in the video, do it as shown in the video and then make a cute little bun out of it. Put some accessories, it's done. For next one, make a ponytail and then make the braids out of it as it is shown in the video. Your bun is done. For the next one in the video, make a first section of your hairs and tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now do it as shown in the video. Repeat the process. Make two ponytails out of it and then make a fishtail, roll it and it's done. For the next one in the video, make two ponytails and then attach the braids to it. Now start making two sections of it and roll it nicely into the bun and then make a cute little accessories to it and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make four sections out of your hair and then make the braids to it and attach it on the top of it. Now make a braid of the ponytail and then make it into a cute little bun and your hairstyle is done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then pull it inside out as it is shown in the video. Do it very nicely and gently and then make it very tight. Make it into a fishtail and make it into a cute little heart and it's done. Thanks for watching.